A phone company has a monthly cellular plan where a customer pays a flat monthly fee and then a certain amount of money per minute used on the phone. Now, if a customer uses 430 minutes, the monthly cost will be $41.50. If the customer uses 780 minutes, the monthly cost will be $59. In part A, we want to find a linear equation for y, the monthly cost in dollars of the cell plan as a function of x, the number of monthly minutes used. So we can first determine that if a customer uses 430 minutes, it's going to cost $41.50. So we know that the value of x represents the amount of minutes used and y represents the monthly cost. So therefore our first order pair is going to be 430 minutes used, which cost $41.50. Okay, so we can say that this represents x1 and then this is y1. And then if we look at the next sentence, it says if a customer uses 780 minutes, the monthly cost will be $59. So that means we have 780 minutes at $59. So this is x2 and then this is y2. And so now what we want to do is we want to determine what is the slope between these 2 points. So we're going to take y2 and then subtract y1 over x2 minus x1. And so we end up getting 59 minus 41.50 or $41.50. So 59 minus $41.50 all over 780 minutes minus 430 minutes. Okay? So 59 minus $41.50 is $17.50. And then 780 minus 430 is 350. And when we divide that, we get the value of 0.05. So now what we want to do is we're going to use the point slope form. So we have y minus y1, which is equal to m times x minus x1. So we're going to use our first order pair. So we have y minus y1, which is $41.50. And that's equal to the slope of 0.05 times x minus 430. So let's go ahead and distribute the 0.5. So we have y minus 41.50, which is equal to 0.05x minus 0.05 times 430 is 21.5. And then we're going to add 41.50 to both sides to get 0.05x plus 20. So therefore, that is our linear equation in our first part. Now it says to interpret the slope and the y-intercept of the equation. So first, let's determine what is the slope. We know the slope is equal to 0.05 divided by 1. Okay, and then we also know that the y-intercept is equal to 0.20. Okay, so what does that tell us? Well, the y-intercept is the $20 flat monthly fee. And the slope is the 0.05 fee for each additional minute that's used. Okay? Now in part C, we're going to call that step 5. It says use your equation to find the monthly cost if 679 minutes are used. So we're going to use the equation y is equal to 0.05x plus 20, where x is going to equal 679 minutes. So if we take 0.05 and multiply that by 679, and then we're going to add 20. So if we multiply 0.05 times 679, we get 33.95, and then by adding 20 is going to give us a total of $53.95. So that means it would cost $53.95.